Musty smells coming from your sink can totally ruin the vibe in your kitchen or bathroom, especially when you're on a septic system and not sure what's causing it. So, if your sink is giving off that gross odor that disappears when you run water but comes back a few hours later, chances are it's the overflow drain trapping gunk, like soap, toothpaste, spit, and skin cells. That stuff builds up and starts to rot, which is why you get that funky smell. The heat from hot water makes the smell worse because it carries the stinky air up and out. To fix this, you can use hydrogen peroxide. Just pour it into the overflow until it comes out the drain holes. If your stopper pops out, take it off and clean it too. Leave it out for a bit while the peroxide does its thing. Sometimes you might have to poke a small hole in the muck if it's really clogged. Let the peroxide fizz and work until it stops reacting, then flush everything with hot water and put the stopper back in place. Doing this a couple of times will help clear that odor. Also, pouring a cup of hot water into the overflow a few times a week keeps things fresh. Avoid bleach or harsh cleaners since they can mess with metal parts or make the smell worse. Another trick is using baking soda followed by vinegar poured into the overflow. Let it sit, and this combo can kill the smell and even get rid of any gnats hanging around. One of the biggest mistakes people make with smelly sinks on septic systems is ignoring the overflow drain, which is where a lot of the buildup happens and causes odor problems. If you don't clean it regularly, the mess just gets worse. Another common issue is not removing and cleaning the sink stopper. It traps grime and stinks up your sink area if left dirty. A simple fix is to pop it out and scrub it down regularly. Lastly, many folks reach for bleach or harsh chemical cleaners without knowing they can react badly with other substances or corrode metal parts, making smells worse instead of better. Using gentle, natural cleaners like hydrogen peroxide or baking soda and vinegar is a safer bet that actually works without damaging your plumbing. BigHomeProjects.com is an awesome resource for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors for all kinds of home repair jobs like plumbing fixes. It also helps contractors connect with people who need work done, making it easier to get projects handled by pros you can trust.